how are you? This is the online learning channel. Today I am showing to you how to record the professional voice by Audacity. Who want to be YouTubing professionally is the most important for the voice recorder. A voice is the most important you viraling. If you want to the viral your video, if you want to the more audience in your video, you should video viral is defined in two things. One step is the graphical rules. Two step is voice, professional voice. It is the defendant and 60% about voice recording. Voice is the most important for viral your video because today I am showing to you how to be recorded in Audacity the professional voice, and it is very easy and is very comfortable and is a low costed. It is freely you can record your voice in Audacity. So let's go. First of all, open the Audacity apps. If you have no Audacity apps, please search the Google Audacity. At first, open this Audacity when open and showing the interface. It is the interface of Audacity apps. Audacity software. At first, when you open, before opening Audacity software, you should buy a microphone. But I have a microphone in my phone, the phone microphone. You should enter the microphone, connect with computer, and that's you can showing this interface as the monitoring. When you're recording your voice, is showing the monitoring in your interface. If you want to be recording, when you're showing this interface, that's start recording. There's start recordings. Click the records or keyboard Control R. Sorry. Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm showing to you how to record your professional voice by Audacity apps. Thanks. This is my record, and this is voice and this is noise. Now I'm showing to you how to remove the noise. The tooling, there are two track. From two track I connected one track. The track, click the track, start mono, start to mono. This is showing. Click the effects, amplify, click the amplify. Allow clapping. Okay. I'm hearing this noise, hearing this voice. There's the noise. There's the more noise in my voice, but I have to remove all noise from this voice. There's click. As the click, select from this tool, effect. Click the effect. Click the noise reduction. Get noise. After the select all. Control. Press keyboard Control A. Okay. And effects. Repeat noise reduction. Control R. After select, cancel. Again select, Control All. Again select. After effects, as a equalization, as a bass boost and treble boost. Bass boost and treble boost. Okay. After the click effects again, the teeth, speed. Change your voice. If you are recording the male voice, there's a minus. is minus using -5. Okay. If you are recording female voice, select. If you want to be recorded female voice, pay plus, not only 5. Okay. Select effect, again select effect, compressor. Okay, compressor. Okay, and then hearing this voice. Okay, and again select. Okay, normalize as a normalize. Okay, hearing.
Hello guys, how are you? Today I'm showing to you how.
Okay, and I want to the added music, the background music. Okay, adding the background music, I need to some music before downloaded from Google, YouTube, create audio create. Okay, it's a free using in my video. Select from your computer. Select from your computer. The yes, wonder natural. Okay, select this noise. Okay, select this music face. Okay, I don't need to the more noise, more music. I need to waves. Okay, I need it as a cancel. Okay, as a start menu. Start menu. Okay, is the more sound then in my voice. I need to the less sound effect, amplify, volume down. Okay, as a very suitable, as the pursuit is a perfect, is the perfect professional voice, and I selected the control L, checked, max standard. Okay, and after I'll export this audio. Control Shift E or Control Export. Control Export is where you can select it. Or next select it. 000. Okay. Save. Okay. Okay. So guys, how can enjoy my video? Please comment in my comment box. After if your this video is a good or bad, please comment in my comment section. If you like if you like in my video, please subscribe for the next video. Thank you.